Too many cookware sets look identical. Start with Tramontina Gourmet for durable, useful stainless cookware. Switch for premium refinement, tighter storage, or smaller batches. Choose by cooking volume, storage, cleanup, and budget. For most homes, buy the Tramontina Gourmet 12-piece Tri-Ply Clad Cookware Set. It covers skillet meals, sauces, braises, soup, and pasta with durable clad stainless construction at a practical ownership cost. But the included 8-inch skillet won't replace the more versatile 12-inch size, and high heat can leave discoloration. Skip it if cabinet space is scarce or you dislike overlapping saucepan sizes. For frequent cooks wanting a long-term upgrade, choose the All-Clad D3 Tri-Ply stainless steel 10-piece set. Its appeal is refined heat control, lasting construction, and a stainless surface that's comparatively easy to restore after demanding use. The price is substantially higher, the handles won't suit every hand, and there's number 12-inch skillet. Skip it if budget, dishwasher-oriented ownership, or rounded handles matter more than premium refinement. For a small kitchen, the Goldilocks Cookware Set Plus cuts the clutter without sacrificing useful skillet sizes. You get 10 and 12-inch skillets plus an 8-quart stockpot, making this a smart fit for apartments and smaller households. However, the pans are somewhat heavier, and there's no 3 or 4-quart sauté-style pan for shallow braises. Skip it if you prioritize lighter cookware, sturdier lids, or a longer established ownership record. For smaller households, the Tramontina 8-piece Tri-Ply Clad Cookware Set keeps the capable stainless construction but trims the collection. It suits 1 to 2-person homes and occasional cooks who don't make large batches. The 5-quart Dutch oven replaces an 8-quart stockpot, and there's no deep sauté pan. Skip it if you entertain, cook big pots of soup, or expect to add larger specialty pieces soon. Most homes, Tramontina Gourmet 12-piece. Premium refinement, All-Clad D3. Limited cabinets, Goldilocks Set Plus. Smaller batches, Tramontina 8-piece. Before buying, check your largest burner, cabinet space, preferred skillet size, batch volume, handle comfort, and whether missing pans mean extra purchases. Start with the Tramontina Gourmet 12-piece unless storage says otherwise. Spend more on All-Clad for premium refinement. Choose Goldilocks for tight cabinets, or downsize to Tramontina 8-piece for smaller batches. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.